In the digital landscape, malware poses constant threats. Ignoring these risks can lead to dire consequences such as data breaches and financial loss. Malware refers to programs designed to disrupt or gain unauthorized access to systems. Examples include viruses, worms, Trojan horses, ransomware, spyware, and adware. Malware infiltrates devices in various ways. Phishing emails often contain malicious links or attachments. Failing to address malware can lead to data loss, financial loss, system damage, identity theft, and reputation damage for businesses. To identify malware threats, watch for unusual system behavior, unauthorized changes, high network activity, and disabled security features. Prevent malware with reliable antivirus software, regular updates, caution with links, firewalls, strong passwords, safe downloads, user education, data backup, and network security. If you suspect an infection, disconnect from the internet, boot in safe mode, run a malware scan, delete suspicious programs, and restore your system. A hospital ignored a phishing email, resulting in a ransomware attack that locked patient data and disrupted operations, costing millions. Malware is a constant danger, but with awareness and proactive measures, you can protect your devices and data. What is the most common way malware spreads, and how can you prevent it? Share your answers in the comments.